Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this set of two foldable zero gravity chairs that I think they are so nice to have for the summer. Either if you're going to a place like for the beach, for example, you can see how easy these ones are to carry on and just put it in the trunk of your car, your SUV or truck or something like that. And then just unfold them as this one. You're going to see how easy this is. This is going to be really, really easy. I grabbed it backwards, of course, but then once you have it right here, you're gonna see how easy this one is. Just like that, you have a nice set of, you can actually adjust with this knob over here, so making sure that these ones are going to stay in this position. Now I'm not going to do it, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to transform into a chair again, but then you can see that you can adjust them and have this zero gravity chairs that supports 300 pounds. Each one of these ones supports 300 pounds. Let's take a closer look. So first of all, a couple things that I like about this one is that number one, comes with a really nice pillow, so you can use this one perfectly for taking the perfect zero gravity nap. You have this reinforced strings over here with the metal hooks on the side, so this thing is not gonna break at all. It's at 300 pounds, so it's not gonna break, and the whole thing is made of this really nice and breathable mesh. So with that, you're gonna have the chance, like let's say that you are coming out of the pool or something like that, you don't have to worry about leaving these ones outside at all or getting them wet because of the breathable mesh. So that is really, really good. By the way, I almost forgot that this one comes with two bottle holders, which one is gonna be for a mug if you want with a handle, and then a support for your phone, for example, and another one bigger one for your tablet. So that is really good. Almost forgot this feature. And then just as easy as it gets, you're gonna see that this one transformed into a normal chair, just like that. So that is really good. You have the pillow over there, or you can do this, boom, and you have and go to the zero gravity position. Knock them just this one, adjust the knobs on the side, and this one won't move to a normal chair position again. So that is really nice. I'm 5'10", by the way, so you can see that I still have room over here. I can put my feet over there or rest my ankles, and I'm all set. This thing is just fantastic. Mesh, breathable mesh, 300 pounds, foldable with the pillow, super resistant, and also you can leave them outside. Yeah, these ones are a patio and outdoors must have. Thanks for watching. Totally recommend.